Hey everyone, welcome to your practice. This will be a quick 10-minute practice for lower back pain. It's great for releasing any stress or tension that you may experience in the low back. We're going to begin in child's pose. If you have a block, you can just bring that block and place it right in front of you. We'll come into child's pose and then rest your head on the block or maybe onto the mat. For this child's pose, we are keeping the knees together. See if you can relax the hips down, relax the head, relax the arms. Stay here for 5 breaths, and every time you exhale, see if you can release the body. Make the head heavy, make the hips heavy, and notice the stretch you feel all along the back of the body. Breathe in deeply, exhale completely. Walk your hands back. Just move the block off to the side. We're going to reach the arms forward and come up onto the knees. Take the knees a little bit more back and lower down onto the belly. We're going to keep the arms close by the chest. Press your toes into the floor. Draw your shoulders back and then very gentle, lift up. And exhale, lower. Inhale, shoulders back, lift up. Belly, hips stay on the floor. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. You don't have to go so very high. You want to lift up so that you feel your back muscles, especially in the low back, activate. And lower down. This time we take the hands just off the floor and lift up. As high as you can. Feel the back muscles. Feel them, squeeze. Hold, don't hold the breath. And relax. Lower down. Release the arms by your side. Take a few breaths. Relax the forehead down. Now we extend the arms out in front. As you inhale, we lift left arm, right leg, and lower as you exhale. Inhale, right arm, left leg. Exhale, lower. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, last one, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Take the hands by your side, lift up, press the hips back, come into a brief child's pose, feel the stretch in the spine, and inhale, come to sit. Come into any easy cross-leg position. We're gonna keep the left leg bent. Take the right leg out to the side. See if you can bring the heel close to the body. Right arm onto your left leg. Left arm reaches up and over. Release. And once again, stretch. Release, and inhale, stretch. Feel the stretch along the left side body. Last one, inhale, reach. We hold here for 3 breaths. Expand the chest, lengthen the left side, and release. Bring the right leg in, extend the left leg out. Same thing on this side. Sit up tall on the sit bones. Left hand on the right thigh. Inhale, reach up, stretch, and release. Inhale, right, reach. Lengthen the right side body, and release. Inhale, exhale. And this one we're gonna hold for a little longer. See if you can go a little bit deeper. Inhale, create length. Exhale, reach. And release. Come on back to face the short side of your mat. We're gonna come, balance on the butt, lift the feet up. Smile. You wanna make sure that your back is straight so you're not rounding in the spine. And lower down. Come and place your low back on the floor. Feet on the floor. And as you inhale, lift up, reach your fingers towards your feet. And then we're gonna reach right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 10. 20. And release, relax. Take the feet about hip distance apart or maybe mat distance apart and let the knees knock in towards each other. If your breath has sped up, take a few moments to make your exhale longer and bring your breath back to normal. Extend the legs out. Bring the right knee in toward the chest. Give a nice tight squeeze, and then we move into a twist. Right arm extends out to the side. Look at the right arm, and then gently just draw the right knee over to the left. It doesn't have to reach the floor. Breathe deeply. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Don't force the body. Allow the body to open. Take a few breaths. Inhale, create space. Exhale, twist. Take your awareness to the low back in the twist. Feel how the low back feels and see if you can consciously take the awareness of the breath to the low back area. So where we take our attention, this area will expand, release, relax. So use the breath to relax the low back area. Come back to center, hug the knee in. Release the right leg. Bring the left leg in. Take a breath or two here, and when you're ready, we twist. Extend the left arm. Right hand draws the left knee over to the right side. Maybe look over to the left side. Take a few breaths to move into the twist. There's no rush. Inhale, create length, especially in the left side body. And then as you exhale, twist, relax, release. Don't force, use the breath. Inhale, create space, exhale, twist, release. Let the body move into the twist when it's ready. Use the breath to create space and then twist into that space. As much as possible, keep the shoulders connected to the floor. Try not to physically force the body. Create the space with your breath and then move into that space. And come back to center. Hug the knee in. Take both knees into the chest. We're gonna rock and roll a few times. We'll first go side to side, massage it, and rock up. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for joining me. I hope your back feels a little more release and comfortable, and I hope to see you in the next video.